secret spy at Ross, and you see that secret spy was me. So when you go shopping, do you have a strategy? Because I sure do. Ross is known for having luggage and clothing, home decor, makeup, shoes, you name it, they have it, toys. And let's just face it, Ross can be hit or miss. It can be quite chaotic at times and sometimes very messy and disorganized. There are Ross stores like that, and there are Ross stores that are very well kept, organized, and pretty. So like I said, it could be hit or miss. Some stores are great, some so-so. I've heard a lot of people say they either love it or hate it. Which camp are you in? I'm in the love it camp, primarily because when you go there, I will say, it's like a treasure hunt. You have to maneuver things around and you're like, oh my gosh, that was hidden behind all that. And you pick it up, you look at the price and you're like, score. So when I walk into a Ross store, my strategy is I do a walkabout. I do my reconnaissance. I get the lay of the land. I see what is available up and down all the aisles. Once I make my rounds, I go back a second time. And in doing my reconnaissance, you never know who may be watching you. A lot of people watch each other shop because they like to look in people's carts and go, where did you get that? I didn't see that. Well, it's because somebody probably hid it behind stuff. So once I've done my reconnaissance, as I've stated, I go back a second time, and that is where I plan my strategy to strategically go after all the gems I've just seen on shelves. You have to be quick and decisive because you don't know who's watching and you don't know how many of those items are out on the shelves. So somebody could come up right behind you and grab it, and you're out of luck. As I'm going up and down the aisles, I don't want to dwell too long because if I pick something up and I set it down and I'm indecisive, that is the perfect opportunity for someone to come behind me or to the side of me and grab it, and it's lost forever. Sometimes women in shopping can be ruthless. I will give you a prime example. I was at a Ross store once. My cart was filled to the brim with wonderful items I found and scored at very, very low prices. And lo and behold, I had an elderly woman come up beside me and she started taking things out of my cart. And I said, excuse me, ma'am. I had seen her eyeing my cart items for quite a while. Every time I run up and down an aisle, I would see her look in my cart and then look at me. She knew I was a shopper, but no, when she came up to my cart and reached in it and grabbed out an item, I said, excuse me, ma'am, what are you doing? She goes, oh, I'm sorry, I thought you worked here. And I'm like, okay, yeah, that's why I have a purse over my shoulder and my cart in front of me. She just wanted my item. I know it. She wanted it and she just decided to take it. I said, put it back in the cart. I'm buying it. I'm telling you, it can be a ruthless game. Why? Because the prices are so good. So let me reenact what happened last Sunday. Sunday is a great day to go score items because a lot of people are at church. So if you're a churchgoer, go to the later service or go the night before, right when they open. If they open at 10, by golly, get there at 10. Walk up to Ross, the door's open. Nobody's in there but me. Blessed be the day. No one but the salespeople. And so I walk in and I'm having fun going up and down the aisles. Well, it didn't take but 5, maybe 10 minutes, and the store started getting a little cray-cray. And I started seeing more and more ladies hit the home decor section. And I honestly think with all of these shop with me videos, it's literally showing people what's in the store and people just make a beeline. I mean, I'm one of them. I can't deny it. Going up and down the aisles, and I spot the mother lode of Easter bunnies. Easter bunnies galore, the most glorious, beautiful, small, medium, large bunnies you've ever seen. I went there specifically for one bunny in mind that I had seen repeatedly on YouTube. And I'm like, I have to have this bunny for my kitchen. I saw him and probably 6 or 7 more of them on a shelf. And I said, today is my lucky day. I picked him up, I put him in my cart. I turned down another aisle. I saw another bunny that was so cute. Picked that bunny up, put it in my cart. Went down another aisle. You get the gist. Before you knew it, I had many bunnies in my cart. This is what happened next. I broke one of my rules, which is don't be indecisive. So I was eyeing this bunny and I was standing there and I'm like, I already have 3 or 4 bunnies. Do I really need that bunny? And I was overthinking it when I should have just grabbed it and put it in my cart. A lady came by. She kind of nestled right in front of me, said, excuse me, and grabbed it. And I went, I am going up and down the aisles again. And I keep running into her. And she is literally doing the same thing that that one lady did, which was looking in my cart at what I had. So she and I kept going up and down the same aisles. And this is what happened. I became a spy. I would go down an aisle, spot her. I'm like, oh, there she is again. And then I'd go down another aisle, going like that. I had to play it cool because there was one bunny I spotted and there was one left. I could tell just by the way she was in the store, she was an indecisive shopper. I thought, I wonder if she's gonna get that bunny. That's the only one I see. And so literally, me. Second she walked away, I made a beeline for that bunny and grabbed him. She was watching me. I knew it. I knew she was after that same bunny. And after all, she scored something I wanted, then I scored something she wanted. That's how it goes in this store. I'm telling you. I'll be completely honest with you. I do most of my shopping from Amazon and Walmart now. I love the convenience of just shopping in my own home. I don't have to park out far. I don't have to weed through the crowds, worry about germs, you know, and being the secret spy I was. I will say, I was very happy with the items I found. The prices you can't beat. So I may have to be a frequent Ross shopper yet again. But yeah, want to see what I found? I want to share the prices with you because these items are so adorable. You can find them online, but they're much more expensive. So check out what I found. Look at this little guy. Now I put the greenery in. This is from Walmart. This little guy was Ross. It's a cute little picture. Isn't that cute? $8.99. Look how cute these guys are. They're like bunny topiaries. Gold base with little gold bows and mossy. Unfortunately, I am so sorry, I took the tags off. They were around the necks, but they were so cute and I got 2, so they must have been inexpensive. Adorbs. I found this little one. You saw this on Wednesday's video. So cute. And look at the little furry tail. This one, $7.99. You guys also saw this one on Wednesday's video. This is a very large bunny, $19.99, and it comes with the bow. A lot of people are painting these brown to look like a chocolate bunny, but I can't. It's just so cute this way. Anyway, great price for the size. Then I found this guy. Isn't it cute? It had a tag around the top of it, and I just ripped it off, you guys. I didn't know I was gonna do a haul with these. I just decided to today, but I'm telling you, all of these bunnies were very inexpensive. So isn't it cute? And then I found this one, and it is just adorable with this basket look and $9.99, you guys. I have seen these online for $20, $30. I went to Michael's to get some florals, and I thought I could do something like this. Imagine the tag off. Something like this. Then I'm going to decorate with it like this, and then I have another garland, set this on top. You know that layering is what makes our displays look so pretty. So I'm probably going to do something like this and sit this on some sort of really cute riser to beef it up, to elevate it. This is what I went to Ross for, this little bunny. It says Happy Easter. It's so cute. And looks like a chocolate bunny. $16.99. I'm telling you, you cannot beat the prices at Ross. That's why you too have to be a secret shopper, so you can get these bunnies too. When you see something, you've got to grab it or it's gone. This was the bunny that one lady was eyeing. She couldn't decide. She could not decide if she wanted this bunny. And so this is where I was like watching her, because the second she stepped away, I was going to grab him before she had a chance to think about it again. $29.98 for this guy. Put some stems in the back. How adorable is this? Now, I did put the ribbon around her neck, but the basket is so adorable. I'm doing a display on my island with this large bunny. Alrighty, those were all Ross. So if you like any of those, you know the prices for the most part. Just know they're all inexpensive and you can get them there. Now I'm going to share with you just a few Amazon finds that I'm quite obsessed with. So recently I was on Amazon. I was looking for some inexpensive artwork that I could put in both the townhouse and here. Now, I will tell you, I am not a gold person. I just never have been. I love black. So if these frames had black around them, oh my goodness, I would be over the moon. However, they're still so pretty. I have literally purchased maybe 5 or 6 different pictures. I purchased a bunch of these, never got around to sharing those with you. What I'll do is in the description box, I'll put in bold letters, wall art, and I'll list all the ones that I purchased because I can vouch that they are top notch. I highly recommend them, 5 stars. This artwork comes with lots of different landscape options to suit anyone's desire with their home colors and style. So anyway, I just want to show you, I got this one. Isn't that pretty? This is what the frame looks like. This is what the back of it looks like. It comes with hangers that you just put into the top if you want to hang it. It does not have glass or plexiglass. It is a really nice matting, and then the picture. And I almost prefer it that way because a lot of times you have glass on your wall art and there's always a glare and you don't get to take advantage of beautiful artwork. So in this case, look how beautiful. And then I found this one. I thought this one was so pretty for spring. Just gorgeous. And I will link the other ones that I got. I highly recommend these, 5 stars. And I want to show you something that I sort of got to go with it. Hold on. I found this little duck on Amazon, and I'm thinking of putting him on a shelf next to this. I don't know. I just think it's so cute. I got this little lamp from Walmart, and I was thinking if I put these on my floating shelves, I could do something like this, and it would be cute. But I got some new pillow covers for the family room. They come like this, and I think I got 20 by 20. But I think these are perfect for spring. They come in all different colors. I also have the beige and the brown. So I wanted to add these with the beige. I found on Amazon, great price. I got 2. You just put your batteries in here, turn them on. I'll be sharing these next week with the lights on. Forgot to mention, I found 2 of these artichokes. I'm a huge artichoke fan. I love incorporating these into my dining room, my kitchen, or my dining room cabinet. 2 of those at Ross, and they were so inexpensive. I can't remember the price. I believe it was like $6.99. I could be wrong, but that's what I think it was, or $9.99. So I went on Amazon and I ran across these plates by Certified International. They were on sale at the time. So I grabbed a set and they're so pretty. Can you see the lemons? And like I said, you can use lemons all through the year. Blue is not a color I typically decorate with, but when you put blue and yellow together, that makes my eyes happy. Even though the shade is down, it snowed. It snowed all night, all yesterday, and I'm so cold, and just did not feel like doing a full decorate with me. So we will be doing that next week. But we're going to be doing the dining room because I got a new chandelier. It's already installed. That will be coming next week, friends, and I hope to see you then. By the way, this video was meant to be humorous. Please don't think I'm some crazy shopper lady that goes and steals decor from women. I was trying to be funny. So I hope you guys get that. Love you all so much, and I will see you back here next week. Mwah! Bye, guys.